Here at the COMPAMED we present two product lines. One is a bioresorbable product line and the other one is a biostable product line. In the bioresorbable product line we present here Vecolan, which is a synthetic produced collagen which is animal free and can produced in large scale productions, very consistent. The other one is a Resomer product line. There you can use this powder platform for 3D printing on the one side, but on the other side for body shape applications. The main difference of innovation in medical applications is quality management as well as regulatory management. And in that case, Evonik has the capacity to guide our customers through the whole quality and regulatory process to, at the end, develop a safe and sustainable product.
We as Corbion supply resorbable polymers based on lactite, glycolide, caprolactam, so we can actually make the right properties for the right medical device. We can really tune the properties towards what the customer needs. The big benefit of resorbable medical devices is that the patients don't have to go into a second surgery to remove the medical device again.